Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today it's going to be a little bit different because as you can see, I have my mirror here. And well, if you notice, there's something actually missing, and that would be, well, the mirror. The reason why it's missing is because it actually got hit in an accident, and well, the people just kind of, well, didn't have insurance. So here I am stuck having to replace the mirror, and I've ordered the parts from Tesla, and I'm going to replace the mirror. So I figured it was a great time to show you guys how to actually change the mirror on the Cybertruck. Or for some folks, they actually just completely take it off, delete it, and get rid of it. But in this case, we're going to swap it out for a brand new mirror, get it installed. It's only not going to take too long. It's actually pretty easy. So stick around and we'll show you how to do it. Don't forget to look in the description below to see how you can get some great discounts on Tesla accessories. And don't forget to hype us up on YouTube if you like this. Like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you again soon. All right, so here we are at the driver's side door, and I have the door open at the moment. And I'll tell you what, I'm going to actually lower the window just so that this is easier to see. There is a little rubber piece here, and there's nothing really holding it in except for some grommets in here, little rubber grommets. And what you're going to do, you're just going to pull off the side here. They're not in there very tight. And it's going to pull off just like this. Now, as I pull this flat back, you'll see 3 screws here with a blue washer around them. We're going to use a Torx wrench to remove these 3 screws, and then we're going to remove the wiring, and that's all there's going to be to it. So here we have the 3 bolts, and what I have here is a T30 Torx wrench, and I'm going to remove all 3 of these bolts, and they come out pretty simply. Just going to put this in here and take them out. Boy, that's tight. Got it. So now that we have our 3 bolts out, now we have to disconnect the wiring harness from the mirror that's attached to it. And what you want to do, there's a little black plate here on the side with a clip. And you put your thumb down there, it comes out and it exposes a couple of wires. So here we have the wiring harness. And what you want to do, there's a piece right here, you're going to push down on this little triangular piece. And for whatever reason, I've noticed on here, there's a safety clip that's missing. It came from the factory like that. I did not do that. But you're going to press down on it. It's going to come out just like that. And now we're ready to remove our mirror. You just leave the other harness out like that. All right, so we have our screws out, the wiring harness is disconnected. Now all you're gonna do is lift up, straight up on this, and the wires may catch down there, so you may wanna make sure that it doesn't catch. But other than that, the mirror is going to come straight out just like this. There's our wiring harness, and we're just gonna set this aside. All right, so here I have the replacement mirror. And just like we took the mirror out, we're going to put it back in. Here I have the wiring harness. You can see the safety tab that I could tell you that I told you about that was missing earlier. We're going to put this back together. It should only take just a couple minutes, but this is really easy. All right, so here we go. We're going to put the wire down into the cavity, and we're going to slip this part down on top, and our wire should come out the bottom there, but it goes down on top and it fits just like that. There we go. Now, after you get it in there, wiring harness goes back into the door. Just sits on there and clips right back in just like that. Now what we'll do is put our screws back in. All right, so we're gonna test the mirror out, make sure that it works. Let's see. Gonna bring it up, down, left, right. So it seems to work, and the folding seems to work as well. So I think this is a very successful install. Thank goodness. Hey, so this didn't take long at all. It only took about 10 or 15 minutes to swap this mirror out. The mirror itself costs about $730 from Tesla, about $804 after taxes and shipping and all of that. Not too bad if you accidentally smash your mirror for whatever reason. But I got this thing changed out about 10, 15 minutes. Very easy to do. I highly recommend, if you can do it at home, go ahead and do it at home yourself. It's not a big deal. Don't forget to look in the description below to see how you can get some great discounts on Tesla accessories. Like and subscribe, and don't forget to hype us up on YouTube if you really like this. And let us know if you've actually had to do this. This one was actually really interesting. Until next time, peace.
Back.